Welcome back, guys. So I know there's a lot of you trying to get subscribers, and trust me, I know it's tough, but I found a way to get subscribers fast, and I tried it and it worked. So before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Okay, let's get right into it. Open your Facebook. For those who have other social media such as IG, Twitter, and so on, you can try on those platforms as well, but I prefer Facebook. Once you're into Facebook, search sub for sub and you get search results of all kinds of groups. Then you want to go to anyone's post in the group and check their comment section. Then you will see many people are looking for subscribers, so you just click on one of those YouTube links and subscribe to their channel and take a screenshot and reply on their comment asking them to subscribe back to your channel, as well as the screenshot as proof you subscribe to their channel. I've tried this and I think it is a win-win situation. I got up to 80 plus subscribers in 24 hours and I think it's pretty good. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.